Missed a perfect scalping trade because you were switching tabs? By the time you placed your order, the price had already moved? Frustrating, right? Well, say hello to the Options Scalper Terminal. No more delays, no missed opportunities, just analyze, trade, and execute in seconds. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to use this powerful tool. So, let's dive in. First, log into your FYERS account and on chart, just select the Scalper Terminal. Or you can log in through app.fyers.in. Remember, this feature is only available on the web. So let's explore the terminal. Right away when you log in, you'll see a 3-chart layout. In the center, you have your underlying asset, which is Nifty, Bank Nifty, or any stock. On the left, you can see your call chart, and on the right, you can see your put chart. If you want to switch the underlying asset, just search for it in the center chart and select, say, Bank Nifty, and boom! The Bank Nifty spot chart and its ATM call and put charts pop up. If you need to change the strike price, hit the drop down next to the call or put. If you want to tweak the time frame, candles or indicators, just click and customize. Here's a little bonus for you. Your settings auto-save so you don't have to redo them every single time. So now placing orders are fast and easy. You don't have to click through multiple windows. Place orders directly from the chart itself. Now let's talk about option chain and market depth. On the right, you've got the option chain, which is fully customizable. You can add price, Greeks, or even straddle data. You can also change expiry dates easily. You can expand or filter by ATM strikes, active strikes, bid prices, you name it. Plus, you get 50 market depth. First in the industry. Click on any bid or ask price and an order window opens right away. Let's talk about quick trade mode and partial exits. If speed is your thing, use the quick trade mode option. Execute trades instantly without opening another order window. And if you want to exit your trades partially, click Exit Nifty or whatever asset you're trading on. Adjust the slider and exit 25, 50 or even 75% of your position. And if you want to cancel all your pending orders, just hit Cancel Nifty and you're done. Let's talk about settings and customization. You can adjust your terminal settings, you can toggle quick trade, you can also use keyboard shortcuts for your trades. Also, you can set default lot sizes and order types. You can also enable or disable heads-up warnings for extra alerts. And that's it. You're now ready to scalp like a pro with all the tools you need in a single screen. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your fellow traders, and drop in any questions in the comments below. See you in the next one.